The ghastly incident reported from Sandeshkhali in North 24 Parganas district is alarming, is deplorable, to say the least. It is the bounden duty of a civilized government to stop barbarism and vandalism in a democracy. If government fails in its basic duty, then the Constitution of India will definitely take its course. As governor, I reserve all my constitutional options for appropriate action at the appropriate moment. Flexing muscles and parading paper tigers will not work with the people of Bengal. Jungle Raj and Gundagiri will work in a fool's paradise. Bengal is not a banana republic. I repeat, Bengal is not a banana republic. Government should do its duty. Those who think they can rule through dons and soon will they find themselves to be Don Quixotes. This pre-election violence, which has an early beginning, should find an early end. The sole responsibility for wanton violence in society lies with the government. It lies with the government. Government may better open up its eyes and see the reality and act effectively to face the consequences. The ostrich-like attitude of the police who pretend not to see the reality around, not to see the lawlessness around should go. The perpetrators of violence, and more so, their political abettors, will soon be made to realize you can fool some people for all times and all people for some times, but not all people for all times, not all people for all times. It is high time that we call stops to violence and hooliganism. In Bengal, violence will come to an end.